Hello, everyone. Welcome to this episode of the Leadership Speak series in collaboration with IIMCIP. Today, I have the privilege and honor of inviting Mr. Mridu Das, CEO of Automovill, a very innovative entrepreneurial venture in Assam. Welcome to the show, Mridu.
Hi. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Ringo. So I'm Mridu. I did my BTech in computer science in Assam. So then I started my journey in IT industry. My entire journey was in data and analytics. Back around 2015-16, the H so has come. TVS pictures to beer. I mean, almost every entrepreneur in India gone through it. Any other entrepreneur started the problem. So I had my first car. So Bangalore is not a very hot place. So I found some problem with the car, and then I started this company called Automovill, where I realized that the due attention as a vehicle owner is not rendered by the manufacturers. And I believe everything got simplified with time, that also needs to be simplified. So that's the idea of starting my journey as an entrepreneur. So I started figuring out, basically backtracking the entire journey of a vehicle repair, where all it can happen, where the dots can be connected. So I'm present in 20 cities in India. So that's about our journey. There are many other points in between, but this is roughly how it is with me. Yeah. Most of the entrepreneurs, there are three kinds of entrepreneurs, I would say, preferably. One who is into more of an innovation, who next is evolutionary. Third is imagination, where there is no problem, everything is good. You bring in something and that becomes a statement. I'm more of an evolutionary person, I would say. I never invented something, not innovative. Neither I imagined something. But I know that there's a certain set of process that needs to be streamlined. So my vision was to give a simplistic car service, after sales journey to a customer. Basically, as an entrepreneur, we're very rookie. I mean, I started my journey back in 2016, I would say, when I actually started shaping up myself to become an entrepreneur, I would say, leading this whole organization. So I was a leader more by example. So everybody whom I get to associate with me at that time, I worked with everyone. So I led by example. I would say when I needed marketing, I went one or two guys. I took them to a petrol bunk nearby, and I started distributing pamphlet. For every function of the company, I was involved. So I was more of a leader by example. What is my leadership style, I would say, and this is how I imparted my vision or transferred my vision to them. So when COVID came, right? So I was a after sales ecosystem provider. So at that time, the world was not having a single car on the road, right? So basically, my business became zero. 8 days after the lockdown happened in India, I got a first contract to do sanitization of ambulances and the emergency vehicles. The skill of washing the car or skill of paint is exactly similar to skill of sanitization. So that helped me quickly organize the resources with my team and the garages which I am working on, and impart and deliver something to a totally different industry. But the vision of service, I would say vision of after sales, helped me to shape that work also. So I would say that learning or leading by example helped me and my team to know that this is what can fit in here. So the biggest problem which I faced in recent time is that every city in India is different, right? So the way I handle my customer in Bangalore, the kind of business it brings in Bangalore or Hyderabad, may not give similar profit, similar kind of outcome in other cities, right? So whatever my vision, it looks like a requirement in certain segment or certain business, certain consumer side, but it may not be an actual problem in certain other these cities. And where we have to sacrifice a part of our vision or sacrifice certain segment of our vision, and that's where it gets blurred at times.
So I hope to see you on many more of my shows. And I thank you and thank IIMCIP for organizing this. Wish you all success, Mridu, and let's stay in touch.
Sure. Thank you. Yeah. Bye.
subscribe to the EL Forum channel. Click the link below to enjoy the full video.